Alright guys, here we are. Last video for 2.4, day 1. We're going to look for our possible zeros here. For my numerator, so PZ is just going to be possible zeros. My numerator, I've got plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. 4 goes into 36, 5 does not, but 6 does. 7 does not, 8 does not, 9 does. And then, let's see, 6 times 6, 9 times 4, 3 times 12, 2 times 18, 1 times 36. My factors of 2 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. So my possible zeros are all of these guys divided by 1, which is just going to be all those guys. And then I'm going to divide them all by 2. So 1 divided by 2 would be 1/2. Really the ones I need to worry about are my odd ones, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I need 3/2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 9 divided by 2. And the rest of these guys are in there. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Alright. Let's see. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I see 18 times 2 is going to be 36, so I'm just going to try 2. I don't know if that's going to be right or not. It goes 3, 2, 1, 0, so I can write them in order. 2, negative 4, 18, negative 36. Bring down the 2. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 4 is 0. 18 times 2, positive 36. That works well. I think we're onto something here. So positive 2 is one factor. And then look, here's my trinomial. Let's see what that looks like. I've got 2x squared plus 18 is equal to 0. If I factor out my GCF, I'd have x squared plus 9 divided by 2. I get x squared plus 9 is equal to 0. When I move that negative 9 to the other side, take the square root. Are we going to have a rational number? No. Are we going to have an irrational number? No. We're going to have plus or minus 3i. We're going to have an imaginary number. So none of these other zeros even matter. I found the 1 just by pure luck by saying 18 times what would give me this guy. Let's try that one first. I got my only real 0, which is 2. And the rest of it would not work. So it would be x minus 2 is equal to 2x squared plus 18, which is not factorable. All right, let's see if we can get some kind of lucky over here. My possible zeros are going to be plus or minus 1, 3, 7, and 21, divided by plus or minus 1, plus or minus 3. So that's going to be 1, 3, 7, 21. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 we already have is 1. 7 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So all these guys plus or minus. Alright, to get from 2 to 21, that's weird. That would be like 2 times what would give me 21? That's what, 7/2? No, 21/2. Yeah, that's a little funky. I don't think I can magic. I know one of these two has to be because my leading coefficient is 3. So I need to have like a third in there or a 7/3 in there. Let's try 1/3 and see what we come up with. We've got 3, negative 18, 2, negative 21. Bring down to 3. 3 times a third is 1. Negative 17/3. Yeah, this one's not looking too good. What if we made it a negative 1/3? 3 times a negative 1/3 is negative 1. Negative 18 minus 1 is negative 19. This is going to be positive 19/3. Again, I'm thinking it's not going to work. So my only other option would be 7/3. See if we can find something pretty with 7/3. So 3 times 7 thirds would be 7. Negative 18 plus 7 would be negative 11. Negative 77 thirds. This is not looking good. So maybe I'm wrong about this whole thirds thing. All right. In that case, let's look at, let's try 3. I don't think that's right. Oh, Miss Harris, what are we missing? I missed, it goes 4, 3, but it does not have the x squared. So I need a 0 here, and then a 2, and then a negative 21. I don't think that would have changed anything we did, though. Let's try 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. This would be minus 9 times 3 is negative 27. Not looking really good. Negative 27 times 3 is a really big number. Plus 2 times 3 is not going to balance out that negative 21. And it's okay to not go through. If you see something's not going to work, you can say no thank you and move on. So 3 times negative 3 would be negative 9. This is negative 27 times a positive 3. That's a positive 81. 81 times 3 is like 240 something. Not looking good. So far we've ruled out these guys. We've ruled out plus or minus 3. Let's try just good old 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Negative 15, negative 15, negative 15, negative 15. Minus 2 would be negative 13. Not going to work. It's out of there. Let's try negative 1. Bringing down 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. This would be negative 21. This would be positive 21, 21, negative 21, negative 19, positive 19. Ones are not working for us either. We are running out of numbers fast. What about 7? Right? Sorry, I lost a 1 there. 7 times 7, bring down the 3, Miss Harris. 3 times 7 is 21, minus 18 is 3 times 7 is 21. 21 times 7 is huge. Huge plus 2 times 7 is huger. That's not going to work. Trying negative 7. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. Negative 39. This is huge, huge, and huge. Just can't believe that if I put 21 up there, it's going to get much better. So I'm beginning to think that this one does not have any real zeros. Or rational zeros. I would confirm that, though, with a calculator. How could I confirm that with a calculator? I think you're just going to have to go through all of these and test them out, which is not as much fun, especially if there's no rational zeros. But I think that's where we're at. Good luck with your homework. You got 4 of them. The good news is tomorrow I'm going to show you a way to limit the number that you have to check.